Scope-driven versus date-driven release. A release plan is usually either scope-driven or date-driven. The key drivers for a date-driven release are usually marketing factors such as a sporting event, peak shopping season, or national holiday. The chosen date is usually related to a source of revenue for the business. The key driver for a scope-driven release is a specific set of valuable features. For example, an F1 game may be of little value to the user without driver selection, circuit selection, race sequences, and dynamic circuit map. However, it may be of little revenue for the business without some advertising built into the software. Therefore, the in-game features plus advertising may be defined as a minimum scope for an acceptable release and deemed more important than any date. Once the team is fully resourced, it is obvious that the more features we add, the longer the product is likely to take to release. Similarly, the closer we bring the date, the less features we are likely to build before launch. For this common sense reason, either the date or scope can be fixed, but not both. This is to say that a project should be either date-driven or scope-driven. It is also important to realize that attempting to add features or bring forward the date without updating the plan is likely to reduce the quality of the product, since we end up trying to achieve the impossible and cause the same last-minute scramble that Scrum was designed to avoid. This is often something that a Scrum Master needs to communicate to stakeholders and a product owner, if not already understood. In any case, a release plan allows sensible planning on a sprint-by-sprint basis. So long as the plan is followed, the project should be plain sailing.